Hello friends, I'm Dr. Vishal Pathania. I'm an ENT surgeon practicing in Gurgaon. And today I would like to talk about voice change or hoarseness. The main causes of voice change or hoarseness are allergy, acidity, growth in the vocal cords, vocal cord abuse or excessive use of voice, like which happens in lawyers, teachers, singers, street hawkers, and sometimes due to stroke or a paresis or weakness of the nerve which is supplying the vocal cords. The management and treatment depends upon the severity of the symptoms and associated features. If the symptoms are short lived or they are fluctuating or they are recurrent seasonally, then medical treatment is the mainstay, in which is included is voice rest, vocal hygiene, that means no straining of voice, taking regular pauses while speaking, having plenty of water, steam inhalation, avoidance of gargling, and excessive clearing of throat. So, all these precautions are included in the management of the hoarseness. If, in spite of taking all the medications and all the precautions, the vocal cord problem is persisting or the voice is still persistently hoarse, then we go for a small endoscopy of the throat, which can be easily done in the OPD. It is a painless procedure, and we can see a magnified view of the vocal cords on the screen and make a perfect diagnosis for the further management. Most of the cases, they usually are because of the swelling of the vocal cords, and they usually subside with the medications. For persistent cases, we suspect a cyst, a polyp, a nodule over the vocal cords. Sometimes there can be atrophy or weakness of the vocal cords, which can cause a sulcus in the vocal cords, or a paresis or weakness of the nerve supplying the vocal cords, which can cause the voice change, along with cough during swallowing, especially liquid substances. If there is a history of smoking or drinking, there can be a growth in the vocal cords or in the larynx or in the piriform sinus, which can lead to a change in the voice and also associated with difficulty in swallowing. So, the management of the vocal cord pathology and hoarseness depends upon the findings of the endoscopy. Usually, most of the cases like polyps, cysts, or sulcus or paresis can be easily dealt by an endoscopic procedure through the mouth, and usually there is no cut. Sometimes, if there is a paresis which is long lasting or vocal cord paralysis which is long lasting for more than 6 months, then there is a procedure in which we cut the external part of the neck and we insert an implant to make the vocal cord more centralized and closer to the other vocal cord to prevent hoarseness. It will improve the hoarseness and also it will decrease the aspiration during swallowing, which might lead to lung complications. So, all these are the treatment possibilities which are there. And if you have any queries, you can contact me in my clinic or you can call me on my number. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you for watching.